You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this word, from Latin originally. If you want to know more plant names, more Latin, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English, usually as Pinus. Now, the Latin pronunciation is as Pinus. So if you're talking specifically about the scientific name and you want to pronounce it in Latin, it's Pinus. In English, however, the English pronunciation is as Pinus. Pronounced English pronunciation Pinus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.